Welcome to my part 2 of my LEGO Mindstorms EV3 tutorial. We will be focusing on action block code of the EV3 programming. Make sure this is assuming that you're using the demo robot. There's an instruction booklet that would normally come with a standard edition set or box. I would build that robot, the complete thing, and make sure your ports B and C are connected to your motors. Make sure they're crisscrossing too, like the instruction booklet says. Don't put them any other way because that'll just screw up all this code. So once you have all that set and done, and in later videos I will show you how the robot should look like, how it should all be wired, etc. But for now, we'll just focus on the program. So right now I have a move tank. I'll show you what to do from scratch. So you want to pick the red tab or the green. I'm getting the colors mixed up. Move tank. And then you want to select B and C. They will be defaultly selected. So, just so you know, on for seconds. This program's a little laggy. I know it'll be laggy for almost everybody. This is the speed of whichever motor is connected to B. So I'll put that at full speed. Full speed isn't that much. Again for this one, for the motor connected for C, and then how long I want the motor to run. So I'll go 3 seconds. And then at the end, once this bit here is like done, each motor's on at 100 power for 3 seconds, I want to brake. So you just select brake. There are options for you to just coast, which means keep going. But right now we want it to brake. As you can see, I don't have my block uploaded, but if you do, using the USB cord, it should pop up here, your EV brick or something like that. You just click this button. Don't bother with the firmware for now, because that might screw up your brick, but it can get pretty annoying, so I'm not sure what you'll want to do with that. But once you click that, and then you go into your brick and run it, and your robot should go forward at 100 speed, 3 seconds. Make sure you don't have your robot like near a wall or going off a desk or something, because right now it's not programmed to stop at a wall or when it's about to go over a table or something like that. Make sure it's on a flat surface and it has plenty of room around it, and there's nobody like a dog that's going to step and bang into it. So, and then if you want to stop your program, and let's say it's on for a second or two, and you just want to stop it, you go on, there's the center control pad. There should be a little button on the top left corner. You just click that and it'll stop the whole program. Actually quite simple. So now I'll talk about move steering. So move steering is exactly how it sounds. It's moving the robot. This is pretty like you want to do this if you're a beginner, because you can use this to move, to like steer, but this is much less complicated. Again, it's B and C. So, and at the end we want to brake. So first of all, let's pick up choose a direction. Remember, the direction is, if you're looking from behind it, the direction will be either your right or your left. If you're looking at the robot in front, then it's opposite. So always make sure when you're looking at your robot, you're always looking at it from the back, because forward is your forward if you're looking at it from the back. Right, the robot's right is your right, left is your right, or left, and etc. That's all if you're looking at it from the back. I know I repeated that. Sorry. So let's do 90. That'll be a complete U-turn. 100. And then 3.1, if you're using the demo robot, will be almost complete 180. It might be slightly off, but that's usually what I do. Anywhere from 3 to 3.5 will be around like the 170 to like 70 degree turn. So go ahead and upload that, and your robot will go forward 3 seconds, turn as soon as that's done, complete 180, and then stop. And then your program will stop, and you'll have to pick it again if you want it to do the same. So, yeah, go and upload that. Then we'll go into, this is just moving an individual motor. So this is one motor. So say you want to move port B's motor, at 100, or say this is rotations, 3 rotations. So that'll be like 3 360s. Once this, I wouldn't put this together with your demo robot, but if you have a different robot, I use this. This is good for specific tasks, but not good for robots, like the demo robot. So, and then the same thing with the medium motor. The medium motor will be connected to the alphabetical ports, and it's individual. So on your demo robot, if you want that like little almost claw thing at the front of it to spin, you just click on, and you can have it at the beginning, depending on how fast you want it to spin. I like full power. On means it goes infinite. It doesn't stop until the program stops. So you'll have your medium go. I'll go and upload that, but you'll have your medium motor spinning. You'll have your entire robot, which is nicknamed Tank. See, it's move Tank. Go forward for 3 seconds and turn in almost 180, roughly 180. That'll be it for now. The display, I'll just tell you that quickly. Display is basically what it sounds like. I leave it at 0, 0. Up here, if you want like eyes, once this is all done and you want your robot's lock display to display something like that, or like that, it can be anything. You can even upload your own images. You go here, here, and then import. And also remember, anytime when you, like, let's say you big smile, it pops up here. So if you're just wondering why these are here, it's because you're, so yeah. So I'll put that down. It sounds exactly like displays, just it sounds. And then brick status light, the little center console light, you can have it green, and then is it pulsing? So is it like flashing? So that would just stay green. And then if you want it off, or if you want it reset. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you will watch my other videos.